Music licensing reimagined.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Thanks for tuning in to another episode of Gone Fishing. It's windy as hell, 50-kilometer northeast winds. So we're gonna try out in LaSalle, do some shore fishing, and see if we can get into some pike. Stay tuned, guys. There we go, guys. We seen him coming. Did you see the wake behind it? Oh yeah, we seen him coming, baby. That is awesome. Seen him coming, so I slowed it down a bit. Get a couple more pops, and she hit it. That's it. Throw him back. That is awesome. Destroyed the frog. Look at that. Let's get it back. There we go, guys. There we go. There we go. Oh yeah, oh, he inhaled it. Holy shit. He inhaled that frog. Look at that, guys. He swallowed it. Oh my goodness, he destroyed it. Wow. Devoured it. There we go. That's it. Destroyed it. We got bass. Holy shit, that's a big rock bass. Look at the size of that rock bass. Oh my god. Look at the size of that rock bass. Whew. Look at that. Wow. Guys, there we go. We got something nice. Oh yeah, whatever it is, nice. Oh my god, it's a nice pike, boys. Holy shit, that's a nice pike. That's a big pike. Oh wow, that's a nice pike. That is a nice pike. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. Probably end up losing my spinner. Oh, shit. I don't know how I'm gonna do this, guys. There we go. There we go, guys. What a beautiful pike. Wow. That's awesome. There we go. Beautiful fish. Oh, he wasn't going nowhere. Look at that. Guys, beautiful. Let's take a picture with him. Wow, that is awesome. There we go. Make it quick. I'm gonna make it quick. What a beautiful fish. Oh. There we go, guys. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Now that is a beautiful pike. Let's throw him back. Put him back. See ya, buddy. Goodbye. Wow. Awesome. All right, guys. That's going to end another episode of Gone Fishing. It was all right. Caught a couple bass on the frog. I was going for pike on the frog, but no pike. It took me 3 hours to catch the last pike. A couple rock bass. I don't know, the past couple of days been very slow, but I hope it picks up. My next video, I'll be going to Mitchell's Bay, and I'll be fishing on the kayak for pike. So guys, make sure you tune into that one. That one's gonna be epic. Guys, thanks for tuning in. Please subscribe, like, and share, and stay tuned for the next one. Ciao.